Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 84. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8, so that 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. And for this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. And for this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 2 here, so 4 and 2. And would you look at that? We finally got through one puzzle with no pencil. All right, well, there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.